Hi, my name is Bella. I study Accounting and Finance and I'm in my third year at University of Bristol. Obviously, as you'd expect, it's easier to begin earlier. So I use the careers service. They've got so much information on there. Help with CVs, which you obviously have to do. I also went to a talk by them with Morgan Stanley, which was about women in finance, which you just kind of get to have a feel of what each role is about, and that's what's important. At the start of second year, I began to think about applying to internships. When I did my internship, I just sat there and I was like, this is what I want to go into. Like, I can see myself sat here, whereas if I'd done something else that I didn't think was for me, I think you'd know, which is why you've just got to take any opportunity you should get, because any experience is good experience, even if it's not what you want to do. University give you so many resources and so many opportunities to find out about what each role is like the mentoring scheme. My mentor was from Barclays as a portfolio manager, and it was really nice chatting, just got to know more about what he did, which is very insightful, and it can give you a gauge as to whether or not that might be something you can see yourself going into. I was also very lucky because I had an interview with Barclays just after I met with my mentor, and that gave me loads of insights, so that was very useful. The online recruitment process is difficult. It's very difficult to gauge how you think you did. They take the form of timed assessments. Some even give what seem like games that you play when you're younger, and you just have to go with it. And then they'll also want you to do video interviews, which are a bit similar to this. You just got to video yourself talking, which isn't that nice, but it's worth it in the end. The assessment centre, which is the final stage, I got given 2 interviews. One was more about your personal values, kind of as you'd expect, then trying to understand if you'd fit into the firm as a person. And then I was given a company in advance, and they asked me to analyse it, so kind of show if you fit into the role, if that's where your skills lie. But they're aware that you're meant to learn those skills on the job, so if it's something you haven't studied in, that's completely fine, and they just want to get a feel of how your brain works with it. Whilst I'm on my grad scheme, I'll get 3 rotations, so literally you get even more opportunity to understand what role it is you actually want to sit in. And I know people who've moved once they're within the company, so you shouldn't worry that you're cutting something off. I'm just mostly looking forward to getting to know new people with similar interests to myself.